Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're looking for the tiny radio, you can see it's really small radios. It's HIROYASU PMR and FRS version. Just got in this box, twin pack, but I got several colors: two blue, two orange and two black. In the box we can find two radios, two data cables, USB A to USB Type C, additional stuff, two stickers, headphones, because the radio has VOX functionality. You can connect the external microphone with the earphone. You can use the PTT button or just talk into the microphone, and radio will be transmitting on the air. The radio you can charge using the USB Type-C port. Just open this thing, connect the USB Type-C cable, and you see the process of charging indicates by the red lamp. When the radio is charged, the lamp is green. When the radio battery of the radio is low, the radio speaks, please charge. Just press this button,
power on, 2,
and the radio is turned on. The next one.
power on, 2,
On the front panel you can find the PTT button, microphone and speaker. Bolt clip attached to the body of the radio. The model of the radio A446MINI. In my case I have 6 PMR band radios, maximum transmission power 0.5 watts for this band. If you'd like to change the volume, just press this button. For monitoring, just short press this button. To switch the channel, just long press one of these two buttons.
3, 4,
Let's switch back.
3, 2,
Short press
2,
this button indicates the number of the channel. This monitoring, changing the volume, lock the buttons, long press this button, locks the buttons,
2,
unlocked, long press,
three, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2.
test, audio. It's easy to use. The radios you can use in the restaurant, cafe, hotels or warehouse. This frequency which can be used in the radio, in my case PMR version, 446 MHz. The battery capacity of the radio around 800 milliamps. It's enough to use in standby time around 36 hours or 15 hours working time for the radio. 49 grams. Testing, audio test. Tiny radio HIROYASU PMR frequency band. Close to the microphone, around 20 centimeters from the microphone. I'm moving around. in the building. Probably have some noises because a lot of devices right here. Testing, audio. Testing, audio. PMR tiny radio. Test speaker test, and microphone test. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.